Understanding, give someone a break. A guide to compassionate English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very common but sometimes confusing English phrase. Give someone a break. This expression is widely used in various contexts, and understanding it can really help you grasp the nuances of English communication. So, let's get started and explore what it means to give someone a break, how to use it, and some examples to clarify its usage. When we say, give someone a break, we are essentially talking about showing leniency or understanding towards someone. This can mean several things depending on the context. To not judge someone too harshly. To give someone another chance after they've made a mistake. To relieve someone from pressure or a difficult situation. It's a versatile phrase that emphasizes compassion, patience, and sometimes, forgiveness. In personal relationships. In personal relationships, give me a break could be used when someone feels they are being unfairly criticized or pressured. For example, if someone is struggling with a task and another person is being too demanding, the phrase can be a plea for patience. In professional settings. In professional settings, asking to give someone a break might relate to workload or mistakes. If an employee has been working hard and is overwhelmed, they might ask their supervisor to give them a break by easing their workload or deadlines. In everyday situations, in day-to-day interactions, give someone a break can be used more light-heartedly. For example, if friends are teasing each other, and one feels it's going too far, they might say, "Come on, give me a break," as a way to ask for a reprieve from the teasing. Let's look at some examples to see how "give someone a break" can be used in sentences. He's trying his best. Give him a break. Here, it's a request for leniency. I've been working non-stop for hours. Can you give me a break? This is a plea for a rest or pause. You've been criticizing everything I do. Give me a break. In this case, it's a request to stop being so critical. Understanding the phrase, give someone a break, is key to mastering empathetic communication in English. It's about showing compassion, offering leniency, and sometimes, just asking for a little patience or space. We hope this video has been helpful in clarifying how and when to use this versatile phrase. Remember, language is not just about words, it's about conveying feelings and fostering understanding. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to give yourself a break as you learn. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.